Let's learn how to create and use functions in Rust. Functions help you organize and functions are defined with the fn keyword. Let's create a simple function called greet. First, we write the main function as the entry point. Inside main, we call our greet function. Now we define the greet function with fngreet. This function prints a hello message. Let's look at the code we wrote. Main calls greet, and greet prints the message. The output shows hello from a function. Functions can accept parameters as input. Parameters let us pass values to a function. We call greet with different names as arguments. The function signature defines name as type string. Ampersand str means string slice in Rust. Looking at the code structure, we pass Alice and Bob as string arguments. Output shows both greetings with different names. Functions can return values back to the caller. The arrow syntax specifies the return type. We store the result of add in a variable. The add function takes two integer parameters. Arrow I32 means it returns an integer. Notice, no semicolon on the last line. In Rust, the last expression is the return value. The function calculates and returns the sum. Output: 5 plus 3 equals 8. The function worked. Congratulations! You now know how to create functions with parameters and return values in Rust.